Nestled on a peninsula, 3165 Doctors Lake is more than a residence. It's truly an experience. With its clean lines, timeless design, and uninterrupted views, it invites the outside in. A harmonious blend of architecture and nature, creating a living space that is both grounded and ethereal. My name is Joy Perkins, and I have the honor of bringing this lovely property to market. Upon entering the heart of the home, the view is commanding. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls capture panoramic lake views, bathing every corner in natural light. The interiors are a nod to mid-century modern design. Simplicity in form, organic materials, rich timber tones, and natural finishes ground this home, while the openness of the layout ensures an effortless flow between the spaces. From sunrise to sunset, the shifting light animates the space, creating a dynamic living canvas to enjoy. Step outside and the seamless connection between the indoors and the out becomes clear. The patio extends the living space, offering a front row seat to the water. Thoughtfully designed to celebrate its surroundings, this is more than a house. It's a retreat, a place where architecture and nature coexist in perfect harmony, just waiting to welcome you home.